So, what if an algorithm could actually chart your destiny? Today, we're diving into a service called FortuneFlow, and it does something pretty wild. It blends ancient spiritual practices like numerology with modern artificial intelligence. The whole promise is a personalized spiritual journey, and all it needs is your birth date and your name. Let's see how this thing really works.
And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? Can an algorithm truly guide your life? I mean, we let tech navigate our cars and manage our money, but what happens when it steps into the really personal space of our spiritual lives? This is where code meets our timeless search for meaning.
So, what exactly is FortuneFlow? Well, it's a digital platform that tries to connect two completely different worlds. It takes these age-old practices, we're talking numerology and Chinese Stick Divination, and then layers modern artificial intelligence right on top. The goal? To give you personalized spiritual insights by mixing that ancient wisdom with some seriously cutting-edge tech. Now, Fortune Flow isn't just about giving you a one-off reading. No, it's positioning itself as a tool for a complete spiritual journey. So let's break down what that journey actually looks like for someone who downloads and uses the app. Okay, so the whole user experience is laid out in 6 pretty clear steps. It all starts with the basics. You pop in your name and your birth date. From there, the system builds out a core numerology profile for you. After that, you get to the interactive part. This is where you can ask a specific question and the AI steps in to analyze the results and give you that personalized guidance. It's really a structured funnel, taking you from raw data to spiritual advice. Everything, and I mean everything, starts with that numerology foundation. Before any artificial intelligence gets involved, the platform creates a core identity for you based on 3 key numbers. This becomes the bedrock for all the advice and guidance that comes later. It all kicks off right here with what the app calls your spiritual GPS. You just enter your birth date, and it does a simple calculation, basically adding up the digits, to find your life path number. This number is supposed to reveal your life's purpose and your true direction. And boom, just like that, we have a result. For this particular birth date, the life path number is a 3. Now, in this system, every number has a specific archetype, and the app immediately gives you a title to frame that identity. And check out the language here. It doesn't just say number 3. Oh no, it says the creative visionary and joy bringer. This isn't just a label, it's an entire identity. The wording is so deliberately empowering, It's designed to make you feel an immediate positive connection. But this whole identity building thing keeps going. After figuring out your path, the app asks for your full birth name. It then converts the letters into numbers to calculate what it calls your destiny number, which is all about revealing your ultimate mission in life. So, based on the name we put in, the destiny number comes out as a 1. And according to the platform, this number represents the goals you're really meant to achieve, the unique contribution you're here to make. And would you look at that? It's the same pattern all over again. The title is The Natural Leader and Pioneer. Just like before, it's not some neutral description. It's a really strong aspirational identity. The app is actively crafting a story of potential and purpose just for you. All right, the final piece of this numerology puzzle is the soul urge number. This one's a little different. It focuses only on the vowels in your name, which is supposed to help it tap into your inner desires and what really motivates you. For our example, the soul urge number is a 7. The whole point of this number is to look past your external personality and reveal what truly drives you from deep inside, what your soul is really longing for. And with the title for number 7, the spiritual soul and wisdom seeker, the picture is finally complete. So think about it. In just a few clicks, the user has been handed this really complex, multifaceted identity, a creative visionary, a natural leader, and a spiritual seeker. So that's the numerology foundation. Now let's move on to the main event, the premium tech-driven feature. This is the AI-powered Chinese Stick Divination, which the service calls its AI Oracle. But before you can ask the Oracle a single thing, you get this notice. It advises you to approach the whole thing with a sincere heart and to ask really clear questions. This is a crucial little step, right? It's priming you, the user, to take the process seriously and to be open to finding meaning in whatever comes next. After you've kind of set your intention, you focus your question on a specific area of your life: career, love, money, you name it.
Once you've picked one, you concentrate on your question and then you digitally draw a fortune stick, which is meant to simulate the ancient ritual. And this is where the AI really shows its stuff. The result you get is twofold. First, you get a traditional, pretty cryptic fortune poem. But right below that, you get the interpretation. And that's the AI at work. It's likely a large language model that's been trained to translate that ancient verse into direct, actionable advice. It turns a vague line of poetry into something clear and modern. So you get this deep numerological profile and an AI-powered oracle, but how is it all packaged? And more importantly, what does it cost? Let's take a look at the full spiritual toolkit that FortuneFlow is offering. Well, getting access to that premium AI oracle isn't free, but the price might actually surprise you. The annual subscription fee is just $2.99 for an entire year of guidance. And this quote from their website just nails their marketing angle. Less than a cup of coffee for an entire year of spiritual guidance. I mean, that's a powerful way to frame the value, isn't it? It makes something as abstract as spiritual guidance feel tangible, accessible, and honestly, incredibly cheap. And to get people engaged without making them pay first, the app has a free daily fortune spin. It's a super simple feature. You don't even need an account. You just spin a virtual wheel and it gives you a little cosmic nudge for your day, like a lucky color or number. It's a really low-stakes way to get you into the app's world. So what does this all add up to? Well, we have an app that builds you an identity, offers AI-powered prophecy, and gives you these little daily nudges. At the end of the day, FortuneFlow is packaging the timeless human search for meaning into a sleek, modern digital product. And this brings us right back to that big question from the beginning. As artificial intelligence weaves itself deeper and deeper into our lives, is technology becoming the new frontier for spirituality? We're stepping into a world where algorithms don't just optimize our driving routes, but they actually attempt to chart our very destinies. It's a profound shift, and it is definitely something to think about.